Divorce support resources. Finding healing and strength after separation. Discover key divorce support resources to help emotional well-being. Counseling, support groups, and advice to guide you through this challenging time. Finding strength, divorce. Support resources for emotional well-being. Hey, I want to share something important with you today, especially if you or someone you know is going through a divorce. Let's be honest, divorce can feel like one of the loneliest and toughest experiences a person can face. The emotional whirlwind is real, and sometimes it feels like you're stuck in a storm without a life raft. But here's the good news: you're not alone, and there are some solid divorce support resources designed to help you navigate this challenging time and come out stronger. First off, the emotional strain after a separation or divorce isn't just about sadness or anger. It can bring a whole bunch of feelings like confusion, guilt, and even relief, sometimes all at once. Because it's so complex, having the right divorce counseling can make a huge difference. Professional counselors who specialize in divorce can help you sort through those emotions in a safe space. They provide techniques to manage stress, improve communication, and re-establish a sense of self-worth. But maybe counseling feels a bit intimidating or expensive, and you're wondering what else is out there. That's where divorce support groups really shine. These groups bring together people who are sharing similar struggles. It's kind of amazing how comforting it is to just talk with others who get it. You can listen, share your story, and pick up practical advice on how to handle parenting challenges, financial changes, or just everyday moments of feeling overwhelmed. Whether in person or online, these groups break down isolation and remind you that healing is possible. Now, speaking about practical help, don't underestimate the power of divorce assistance services. Some organizations offer workshops, legal advice, and even co-parenting coaching to help make the process smoother. Sometimes just knowing where to turn for answers about custody or finances takes a huge weight off your mind. It's like you're getting tools to rebuild your life step by step. In terms of reading material, there's this wonderful resource called Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's a book that really connects with people going through divorce by combining encouragement with practical wisdom. The author doesn't sugarcoat the journey, but offers hope that brokenness isn't the ending. It's the start of something better. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. This book can be that comforting friend who reminds you that growth comes from pain and new beginnings are truly possible. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or uncertain about where to go from here, I'd recommend checking out a mix of these resources. Divorce counseling. Talk to a licensed therapist who understands divorce-related emotional struggles. Divorce support groups. Join local or online groups for peer encouragement and shared experiences. Divorce assistance. Look for community programs that offer legal, financial, or parenting help. Books like Brokenness and New Beginnings for inspiration and guidance on healing. Remember, healing is not a linear process. Some days will feel okay, and others might feel like a roller coaster. But leaning into these support systems helps you find stability and strength. You don't have to do this journey alone. It's completely okay to ask for divorce help and divorce advice whenever you need it, whether from professionals or fellow travelers who've been through the toughest parts of ending a marriage. Life after divorce can feel scary, but it's also a chance to rediscover who you are and build a new kind of happiness, one day at a time. If you know someone who might benefit from hearing about these resources or needs encouragement to seek support, feel free to share this episode with them. Sometimes just knowing what's available can be the first step toward healing. Thanks for hanging out and letting me share these thoughts. Take care of your heart and mind. They're worth investing in.